Here we are back in Scotland, doing something a bit different this time. A bit of bike packing we're going to try out. And we're going to go on the Affric Kintail Way. It's going to be a 4-day trip, so look forward to plenty of footage from this one. This is the first climb on day one out of Drumnadrochit. We've only got a short ride today over to a place called Canik. For what is it, about 2,000 feet of climbing on this one? About 12 miles I think, and then tomorrow we've got a big day ahead of us, but we'll talk about that tomorrow. This first climb's a bit of a killer. I don't think it's as bad as this for today anyway. I think this is the worst bit. Probably looks like absolutely nothing on the GoPro as usual. There we go, up the first climb onto our first alpine view. Got the old knobhead with me for this trip. Both on the e-bikes. Sack doing this on a regular bike. We're absolutely sweating our tits off already. Worth it for these views though. Probably looks absolutely nothing on the GoPro. Views are amazing down here, aren't they? Yeah. So now that I've done a couple of miles, I don't really feel like there's that much more weight on the bike, do you?
No, not at all.
Even on the handlebars you can't really feel it either, which I was worried about, but
I'm carrying a bit more than you.
yeah.
I can feel it slightly, but it doesn't make much difference.
Yeah, it's like we were saying, on this kind of riding anyway, it doesn't really matter. It's not like we're trying to slay it down hills. It's a nice easy bit of double track. We've just dropped down into the valley. Come from up that way up there, come from quite far up the side of the hill down to where there's the first lock, and I'm going to carry on down the valley that way. This is what you call a traffic jam in the Highlands of Scotland. Just stumbled across this cairn here. We'll go take a look at this. Something a bit interesting. It's 4,000 years old, is this? Something nice to look at on the way. So after you've come down off the gravel path off the side of the hill, there's just this short stretch here on the road down to Canik, but it's not too bad, and there's barely any traffic on here, so might as well just enjoy this nice smooth surface down into Canik. Absolutely amazing views. So we'll be heading down tomorrow down towards that way, down the big Glen Affric towards the west coast. We've just come up from that hill over there, and we've pretty much traversed where that hill runs along all the way from Loch Ness and Drumnadrochit. So on the road down to Canik, we've just stumbled across this new section of Affric Kintail Way, which actually takes us on the forest off-road route rather than down the road. So we're just going to give this a try. It's the same distance, but I'd rather be on the dirt track than the road. So let's go give this a bash. Absolutely stunning. The views are only going to get better from here on into the trip as well. Well, nice, eh?
Looking lovely. I mean, there's absolutely no reason to do this other than to make it nice for people.
Yeah. Everywhere you look, every corner you go around, you're coming across new absolutely amazing views. And we're not really in the mountainous part of it yet either, are we? You don't even want to ride fast because you just want to cruise along and just look around. Absolutely amazing. Ah, this is a lovely section, this. Not quite the usual enduro shredding trails, but I've got to admit, I'm absolutely loving this kind of riding. Oh, Jesus. Right, let's carry our way down into Canik now. Right here.
And that there, that valley is strapped glass.
All right.
And it goes all the way back to like Buell and have cycle back.
Yeah.
And that's stunning.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah, definitely worth doing.
Yeah. Nice bit of trail coming down there as well, wasn't it? There we go, the B&B for the night.